Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's look at this Nov-Dec 2025. This one is on General Mathematics, question 13. So in the diagram, okay, PQR. So in the diagram, PQR and X lie on the circumference of the circle, okay, center O. So we have line PR and QS intersect at T such that QRQX is 30 degrees and angle STP is 110 degrees. Calculate angle POQ. So POQ, so this side. Okay, now before that, let's understand this, okay? Now if this is a chord, okay, and I form an angle at the center, okay, and on the same chord we subtend this to the circumference, okay, the angle here is double here, okay. If this side is x, this side will be 2x. So very important. Now let's look at this PQ. Now PQ is a chord, so the angle here and the angle here, okay. So if this side is 5, this side will be 10. And don't forget, you can also form another one here. So we have PQX. It means this one also follow the same rule, okay. And because of that, if this side is 5, this side will be 5. As simple as that. Okay, now back to the question. Now we are to find angle POQ. Now we have information here that can help us get this side, okay. So we can consider angle Q, okay, TP, sorry, QTR. So this side, okay. So this side plus this side plus this side will give us 180, okay. Now remember, we can get this side. Opposite angles are equal, so this side will be 110 and this side will also be known from there, okay. So I would say that one angle RQX, that is 30, plus angle so we have the angle POQ, so we need to find PRQ, okay. By knowing PRQ, we can find angle POR. So angle PRQ plus angle QTR equals to 180. Now we know angle RQX as 30 plus PRQ unknown plus QTR. So angle QTR, so this side is 110. So angle PTX Okay, the same as angle QTR. So we have opposite angles here. So this side is opposite. So we have 110 here. This side is 110. So 30 plus 110 plus this side give us 180. That is what we are doing. Okay. So we have angle Q. So we have 110 equals to 180. So we have 140 plus angle PR Q equals to 180. Therefore, angle PRQ equals to 180 minus 140. That will be 40 degrees. So we know that this side is now 40. So this side will be 40. Okay, this side will be 40. So if that is the case, this side 30, 40, 110, 180. So remember, this side and this side, okay, twice of this side will be decided. So to find this POQ, angle POQ is twice of angle PRQ, okay, which is 2 times 40, that is 80. So this side is 80. So the I is 80 degrees. Now let's go to II. TPX. TP, this side. TPX. So when we follow this information, this side will be simply 30 degrees because 40 plus 110 plus 30. That, so angle TPX. So angle TPX plus 110, okay, plus angle TSP equals to 180 degrees. So angle TPX plus 110. So TXP is also 40 equals 180. So we have 150. Okay. So angle TPX plus 150 equals to 180. So angle TPX will be 180 minus 150. Therefore, the answer is 30 degrees. Okay. So we have this side as 30 degrees. Okay. So that is the solution to this problem. All right. Okay.